practice problem set 1 of AP calculus limits. The first limit is limit of polynomial. So we can directly substitute instead of x equal its value, which is 8 squared minus 5 times 8 minus 11. The answer will be equal to 8 squared 64 minus 5 times 8 40 minus 11. 64 minus 40 is 24 minus 11 is equal to 13. Second number, it's fraction. It's rational expression. So when we substitute 5 in the denominator and we don't have any 0 in the denominator, this will be the solution. So 5 plus 3 is 8, and 25, 5 squared, 25 minus 15 is 10, divided up the numerator and the denominator by 2, we get an answer 4 over 5. Number 3, limit of pi square as x tends to 0. Since pi square is a constant number, so no, we can't substitute any 0 in it, so the answer will be pi square. Number 4, limit of x squared minus 2x minus 3 over x minus 3. If we directly substitute the value of x, we get 0 in the denominator. 3 minus 3 is 0. But we have to check what do we have in the numerator before we decide what to do. X squared, it's a 3 squared, which is 9. Minus 2 times 3 minus 2 times 3 is 6, and minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 3, minus 3 is 0, so it's undefined form. That's why we have to change the form of this limit before we substitute instead of x. For sure, we can factorize the numerator by guess and check. Since the denominator is minus 3, x minus 3, most probably we are going to find x minus 3 in the numerator. Sometimes for sure not, but most probably we do that. So x, we multiply it with x to get x squared, minus 3 we multiply it with plus 1 to get x squared, to get minus 3, and we check. The mean values gives me minus 3x, and the extreme values gives us 1 plus 1x, and that is minus 2x, which is in the middle here, and this is correct. So what we do is we simplify, we cancel, we divide by x minus 3, so we are going to find only the limit of x plus 1 as x approaches 3. The answer will be 3 plus 1, and that is equal to 4. Number 5. Number 5 is limit of x squared, 10x squared plus 25x plus 1 over x power 4 minus 8 as x tends to infinity. We said that before, when x tends to infinity, as if we are factorizing by x squared up in the numerator and by x squared down in the denominator, or we take x power 2 up in the numerator, x power 4 down in the denominator, or we can directly do it this way. We take just the highest the coefficient and the highest x with highest exponent in the numerator and denominator, and that gives us limit as x tends to infinity of, we simplify x squared by x power 4. What left up is 10, and down in the denominator is x power 2. Now by substituting instead of x its value infinity, infinity squared is infinity. Number over infinity, k, constant number over infinity is 0. Number 6, the same thing, tends to infinity, but we can notice here the first one, number 5, the exponent up, the highest exponent up is less than the exponent down. We got 0, and we said that these rules, right? And the second one, the exponent up is higher than the exponent down. So as x tends to infinity of x power 4, the highest exponent, over 10x power 2, also we simplify x squared by x squared to have x power 2 over 10. So we have infinity over 10, that is infinity divided by a number, still it's infinity. Number 7, number 7 is equal. It's equal to the limit as x approaches infinity of what? Of x power 4 minus 8 over 10x power 4 plus 25x plus 1. So the highest x with highest exponent up in the numerator is equal to the x with highest exponent in the denominator. When we simplify, what left is the coefficient of highest exponent of x up over coefficient of highest exponent x down in the denominator. Number 8. Number 8, same as above, because we can say its limit as x approaches infinity. We can take the highest exponent up, which is radical 5x to the power 4 over x squared, highest exponent down. We have it alone. Its limit as x approaches infinity of x power 4 will be x power 2 out. So x power 2 times radical 5 over x power 2, and the answer should be radical 5 when cancelling by x squared. Now limit as x tends to 0 plus. Let us substitute. Up, it's 6 plus 2. We don't care if it is 6 or 6 plus. Both gives me 8 or a bit more than 8. Down, what is 6 plus square? 6 squared is 36, so this is 36 plus a little bit more than 36. Minus 4 times 6 is 24, minus 12. That gives me minus 24 minus 12 is minus 36. 36 plus minus 36 is 0 plus a bit more than 0. So the answer should be plus infinity, because it's 8 over 0, number over 0, positive number over 0 plus positive number is infinity, positive infinity. Here, number 10. Number 10 is the same, but it's as x tends to 6 minus. The numerator will be 6 plus 2, which is